In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send photos as snaps from your camera roll and make them appear as if you just took them on Snapchat and you've sent them. But they will be coming from your camera roll, so I'll show you how it works. So if I go ahead and tap on the button on the left hand side of the record button, that will bring up all my snaps, and then I can tap on camera roll and it'll bring up everything in my camera roll. And if I just select an image and then I select to send that to somebody on Snapchat, so I'll just go ahead and send it to Andy, tap on send. That has now been sent, so I can go back into the chat. That snap has now been sent, but if I go ahead and tap on the chat, you can see that the photo sends in the chat like this, and that's not what we want. So to send it as an actual snap, what you need to do is go onto the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store on your phone. In this case, I'm going to go to the Play Store because I have an Android device. And then in the search bar, you just want to search for an app called LMK. It's the first result there, tap on that. And it's this app right here. And basically what it does is allow you to send videos and photos as real snaps from your camera roll. So go ahead and make sure that that's installed, and I have it installed, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And now you'll just need to make sure that you're logged into Snapchat to be able to use it. Then tap on the plus icon in the middle of the screen, and then at the top you have various options, and you want to make sure you're on the post option. And then at the bottom on an Android device, you'll have a little camera icon. If you're on an iPhone, it might be in the middle underneath that little question box. Tap on the camera icon, and then you want to tap on upload photo. So I'll just go ahead and select that same photo, and it will load it up into LMK, and then you just want to tap on post to Snapchat. That will go ahead and load up Snapchat once that's finished. And once we're on the screen, you can take this text box and just move it away into the trash can to get rid of that. And then there's a little paperclip icon with an attachment. Tap on the paperclip icon, wait for it to load, and then tap on remove attachment. Now you'll have the same image that you can go ahead and send like it was a real snap. So I can go ahead and tap on the send button and send it to the same person. Tap on send, and it's been delivered. And now you can see it's been sent as an actual snap, not in that little picture in the chat. So that is how you send photos as snaps on Snapchat from your camera roll as if they were real snaps. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.